or a star.
Let me keep it real. Yeah. Take it back for a minute. Let me tell you how my heart got dented. I don't chase these hoes, boy. When I lost that nigga, I damn near sprinted. Can't live without him, I gotta have him. And the bitch get slapped tryna grab him, but he fucked my feelings. Sad thing about it is, he ain't even try to use a magnum. Months of time that I wasted. Thought it was sweet cause I tasted. How we end up here? All of your pics, your number, I just erased it. Yeah, wet tears on a pillow. Good bed and I'm stuck in the middle. Our love seemed like it's a riddle, and in my heart need a fucking hospital. Dog, no kennel, I was loving, he was lying. I was deep and he wasn't even trying. Too many nights I was up late crying, and I think I blamed it on the timing. Rewinding, when I was nobody to niggas that knew I was crashing. Gave him my heart but I knew we was rushing. Thinking we loving but knew we just fucking. And it's like, my head's so fucked up with these niggas, it's like I can't even feel shit no more.
Major out here, fuck niggas.
With all our trials, I was only in denial. These niggas for everybody. Let me tell you how the rest go. Yeah, that nigga fucked my mental, but I wouldn't take it back like a rental. He was selling a dream and I was buying. I was too attached and he was crying. I gave him space like a bar. He ain't shit to you, he my star. And I knew we probably wouldn't last, but I was scared to hurt like my past. Catching feelings for a nigga who probably ain't even like me, but he always come crawling back cause ain't nobody else like me. And since nobody else like me, all these bitches don't like me. He probably run a ring from 2K, but ain't got a ring to come wife me. I tried to show him that I'm right. Fuck all my tears and our fights. Me without you just ain't right. You ain't mean that shit, you just hype. I ain't going nowhere, quit stalling. I just want you to catch me, I'm falling. He done pressed ignore 20 times, but he's still in my heart, so I just keep calling.
Honest.